This recipe is going to blow your mind. Let's create some magic. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe. Here we are all about good food, healthy food, and lovely recipes. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a perfect chicken and minced meatball sauce, and this will blow your mind. First things first, make sure that you process your chicken breast, and then we'll go into the recipe proper. So basically what you need for this recipe, you need some minced meat and of course our chicken breast that we've processed. Add your scotch bonnet pepper and any other kind of pepper that you want. I'm also going to add some minced garlic into the mixture. The most important thing for you to have a perfect meatball is getting it right. Now, I have a blend of spices, some parsley, curry, nutmeg powder, and some paprika. Mix everything together. Make sure that you thoroughly mix it. Now, when you take a look at what you need for this delectable sauce, make sure that you have all your ingredients ready. Think about onions, carrots. I added some egg, just one egg into this mixture, and also some corn flour just to hold up the meat in place when we get rolling. Now make sure you mix everything properly. And a blend of spices is really going to take this recipe to the next level. So make sure that you mix everything very well. I'm sure that the normal meatball recipes that you see, you just see minced meat. And here I added some minced chicken. So that is why I said it's really going to be great. After rolling everything, I'm going to grill this in the oven. I'm not going to fry it. So just drizzle some olive oil on top of this and we're going to put this in the oven. This is so lovely and you can have this with anything and it's perfect for anybody regardless of your health goal. So we're going to put that in the oven and this is what it looks like after about 20 minutes in the oven. It's really cooked, but then I'm going to show you the secret. In a pan like this, you're going to add some olive oil and we are going to add some onions. I'm also going to add some minced garlic and we'll allow this to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you're still watching and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the family. It's all fun here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course, share. If you're interested to get some of my recipe books, the links are in the description box. Yes, description box. Yes. So once we have that, we're going to add some scotch bonnet pepper for some flavor and for some spiciness. According to the way that you love pepper, just add according to your preference, okay? And allow this to simmer for some time. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt in there. And after that, we're going to pour in our tomato sauce. So this is going to be the base for our meatball sauce. And trust me when I say you're going to love this recipe. Now you can lower the heat to a gentle simmer and allow the sauce simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and add your spices. I have curry, nutmeg, paprika, some cumin, and oregano. Stir that up together and allow this to simmer for some time. This will allow the flavors to intensify and the sauce to thicken beautifully. After that, this is what you get. This is looking so good and it is so tasty. The aroma from this food, oh my god, you will love this with white rice, you would love it with pasta, you're going to love it with almost everything. Now, our sauce is coming up together, and then you're going to add all our meatballs. Oh, this is really, really good. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. Subscribe to my channel to learn more recipes like this. This is pretty simple. And after about 10 minutes, I'm going to stir this together. And this is what it looks like. It's really coming up together, guys. It's looking good. It's looking so, so nice. Now, if you're wondering, like meatballs, chicken, and beef, yes, you can do that. I'm going to add some fresh tomatoes into the pot and of course some bell peppers because we need vegetables. Every single meal that you make, you can incorporate vegetables into them in different ways that would inspire you to eat more healthy. So this is what we get. Remember that the moment you add your vegetables, you're not to allow it to overcook because our sauce is actually ready. And tell me in the comments what you actually prefer to have with this sauce. Rice, pasta, potatoes, beans, anything. Just let me know in the comments. And at this point, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends and family. And yes, it is ready. So lovely, so tasty. You're going to love this recipe. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delectable creations, and remember, cooking is all about exploring and having fun in the process. Until next time, happy cooking.